Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. We have resistance, resistance, resistance. We have support, support, support. I'm basically watching the price bounce in between these two trend lines. We're basically forming a channel pattern, something like that. Right now, it looks like we're bouncing on this area right here, and hopefully we could bounce out and maybe hit this level up here, start to retest this trend line. I think if we break this trend line, then that's going to be an even bigger bullish signal that we can start looking for levels like these ones, the previous resistances, or maybe even target from the top to the bottom of this channel, drag this to the breakout somewhere up here, wherever we break out, and then we could be looking at that target, something like that. I think until we break this trend line going to the upside though, I'll still be asking myself, are we going to break up or are we going to break down? I have a limit order set at 41,000 still because this is the previous support down here, and I've been looking at this level for a while now. And in general, if we go to the daily time frame, you can see that we have resistance right here and we have resistance right here. This is where I'm getting this downtrend from. So we have a line coming like this. Until we break this trend line going to the upside, then I'm going to be looking at this previous support down here. Like I said, I just bought a little bit right here, but I'm curious if we're going to come up, hit this area over here, or are we going to come down, drop support, and come down to this level down here. In general, what I really want to do is stay above 41,000 because this was our previous low. We had low, high, and now we're coming in to form another low. Hopefully we could stay above this level right here, because if we go below it, then we'll be forming a lower low, which is a downtrend. I really hope we can stay above 41,000 on Bitcoin. I think the main thing I'm watching right now is the 4-hour time frame. Like I said at the beginning, we're watching this channel pattern right here. If we can hold support on it right here, this is going to be a good sign. And if we could break this top line right here, that's going to be another good sign. In general, this kind of looks like a falling wedge. It doesn't look like a wedge per se. It kind of looks like a channel pattern, but in general, it's going to the downside. So if we break this trend line going to the upside, that might be a good thing. This is the main support line that I'm watching right now, and this is the main trend line I'm watching in the short term. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Bitcoin, hit the thumbs up button.